Digistore24 affiliate marketing tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do affiliate marketing with Digistore24.com. So let's get started. What you have to do is just simply come to Digistore24.com and you will land on this amazing platform. Digistore is an amazing platform to do online network affiliate marketing and automation as well. You will be able to do affiliate marketing and much more with Digistore24. So what happens is that today I'm going to show you that when we are doing affiliate marketing, how we can do affiliate marketing with Digistore, how do you promote your products, how to get the clicks, how to get the links and to promote them on different platforms to get the clicks and to turn your conversion rate into money. So what you have to do is you simply come right here. You will see all of these different options. For example, product sellers, affiliates, features, marketplace, blog, knowledge base, and jobs as well. So I will simply go to affiliates and I will be able to show you how we can do affiliate marketing on Digistore, how we can do affiliate marketing with Digistore24. So what you have to do is you simply start and it is completely free to sign up, and you will see right here that there are up to 70% commission. That is high ticket affiliate marketing because the commission is going to be up to like 70%. That is pretty good, and it is called high ticket affiliate marketing because the commission is pretty good and like it is the highest commission you can get. So on Digistore you will actually find these different programs and products that will help you gain up to 70% of the profit. How to earn money with Digistore24. Step 1 is to register. Step 2 is going to be the product, to select a product from the marketplace. Step 3, promote the product, and step 4 is to earn your profits. Let's register. That is going to be our first step, and then we will find a product and then promote it, and after that you can just earn your money. So you can see right here that this is the sign up process. You simply add all of this information, which is your email address, your affiliate link if you have any, password, and your time zone, name, company, address, country, phone, and required. Of course you will check these and you can register for free. So once you have registered, you can simply go to the marketplace and find your product. You can see that we can actually find a lot of products. For example, these are the different niches that are available: animal and pets, and computer, dance, music, email, education, food and drinks, home garden, hobby. So we know that some of these different niches always do good. For example, computer and internet will always make money. Then we have fitness and health, and of course then it is going to be business and investment is also pretty good, and education too. So I am going with computer and internet. I will simply click on that and it will filter my search and open up computer and internet products that I can do commission for, that I can earn commission from and do affiliate marketing for. So what happens on Digistore is that you will see the product right here. You can see this is the product and this is the commission that I am going to earn, and I will make up to $39. So this is pretty good, and I can just simply click on promote now and start promoting. They will give me the link. You will see the price right here: commission, vendor, created, billing type, and earning and sale as well. Then this is the next product. You can see this one actually has 50% of commission. I will be making $17 and the price is 14. The commission is 50. This is the earnings, this is the creation and the billing type, and this is also the third product. So you just scroll down and you can check out all the different products. So let's just say that I wanted to go with this product right here. So what I will do is I will simply click on promote now, and they will take me to the product information where I will log in and simply get my link. So once you have your link, now it's the next step, which is going to be promoting the product. Now we have the link, how to promote your product, how to do affiliate marketing. This is an important part because everything else is on Digistore24. You will come here and you will actually see the different steps. You will see the option of register now, you will see the marketplace, you will see promote now. This is pretty easy. Now the thing is, people get confused how to promote their products, and there are many different platforms that actually are paid, and we don't want to go for a paid platform. We want to get different platforms that are completely free where we can actually do affiliate marketing. Now, we know that TikTok is one of the very famous platforms in 2021, 2022, has gained its audience, and it has become very famous recently. So what happens is you can simply come to TikTok and you can do your affiliate marketing here. How to do affiliate marketing on TikTok is super simple. What you have to do is you simply create different videos. Now, the good thing is that on TikTok, what happens is you don't have to create a long YouTube video, or you don't have to add the long description. You just simply create a 15-second video or maybe 10-second video, and you can just simply go ahead and put it up on TikTok, and you can add the links in your description, which is given right here, like which is 1 line or 2 lines, and you can just simply go ahead and add your descriptions right here. You can create a review video, which is going to be just 15-second video, and the TikTok now has the audience. It is becoming very famous nowadays, and many people are actually choosing TikTok for their affiliate marketing. So TikTok is an amazing platform if you want to do affiliate marketing, and there are many people that are actually doing their affiliate marketing with TikTok. The next way you can do promotion for your Digistore product is through Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is an amazing platform where a social media and also a search engine too. On Pinterest, you will be able to pin your different interests, and there is a large audience that is always on Pinterest. Now, the good thing about Pinterest is that on other platforms, for example, when we talk about TikTok, when we talk about Facebook, that we will in a minute, you will notice that these are all social media platform, and people are not looking for different products. They are not looking to buy the products. But when it comes to Pinterest, there are people actually, they are looking for different products, and they become your potential buyer idea, or they will add your pins to their boards and they will be interested in it. So even if they will actually check out your pin, and make sure that the pin you are creating for your Digistore product, it should be good. For example, if you are going for this product, you can actually go to any other platform. For example, you can go to canva.com or any other editing platform to create a good pin, which should be attractive enough to attract the audience. They will check out the product, and even if they are not buying it for the first time, they will actually check it out, or maybe they will add it to their board. Eventually they will become the buyer, they will become the click that you wanted to. You can convert your visitors that come to your blog to your potential buyers, and you will earn commission with the links that they are going to give you. So Pinterest is pretty good. All of the people are now using Pinterest.com for their affiliate marketing, and you will see all of these amazing affiliate marketers here and the big programs. Anybody who is doing affiliate marketing now, they are using Pinterest because it is a free platform where you can actually, without creating a business profile, without adding a lot of things, you just simply create a pin, you add the link of your product, you can add the alt text, you can work on the SEO, you create this pin, you can review the product in the videos as well. Pinterest also allows you to create videos now, so you can create a review video and then add your Digistore product, and you will be able to do affiliate marketing. Another platform that you can do to promote your Digistore product is Facebook. Now, Facebook is upgrading every day, and it has a lot of cool features now, and you can do your affiliate marketing on Facebook. Facebook has a lot of options. For example, posts and pages and groups as well. There are groups that are based on affiliate marketing. For example, check these out. They are like affiliate marketing for beginners and digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and people actually add their links right here on Facebook for their products. You can promote your product on Facebook in different groups, or you can create your own page as well. And we know that Facebook actually has the audience. There are billions of people using Facebook every day, and they will be able to find your product, and there are like groups created for this purpose to do affiliate marketing, and people are doing that right here. You can check this one out, like the person has added that how much they gained with their product. You can see right here, this is example for affiliate marketing. They have added some website, and they're showing it how it works, and you can see right here that they have gotten the likes, people are clicking on the link. So you can do that too, and anything that is under the sun can be found on Facebook. So yeah, you can also do affiliate marketing, of course, and Facebook is always there to help when it comes to gaining the audience for your products or for your websites. So yeah, you should definitely check out Facebook to do affiliate marketing. Make sure you add the link to your post or any, post that you create in your page or in your group. So once you have created the post, you simply add links. You can add review videos as well. You can do a live on Facebook for your product. So this way you can do promotion of your Digistore product on Facebook as well. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Now you have an idea how to do affiliate marketing on Digistore24. Simply get the product link and then promote it and earn your commission to get rich. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.